Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make
Inveni
viral
buzz
glitch
mate
text
tosta or.
effect in After Effects. First, ready with your clips.
Inveni buzz mate tosta or.
Now write your first text. On 3D layer, go in transfer and do my settings. Now I write my second text. I want to highlight this text, so I change this text size. You can change font also. After that, duplicate first text. Now I write my third text. Now apply fade up words effect on first text. Now adjust your text with vocals. Similarly, do this with second and third text.
Inveni buzz mate tosta or.
Now change your highlight text color. After that, select all your text and pre-compose them. Now apply BCC cross glitch effect. Do my settings. After that, I apply my text effect preset. You can download my presets from my Telegram channel. Off tint effect. Now our viral glitch text effect is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.
Inveni buzz mate tosta or. Inveni buzz mate tosta or.